Guys, for today's video, another time deposit product ang pag-uusapan natin at pag-aaralan natin kung gaano ba kataas ang interest rate niya, ano yung mga special feature na itong time deposit na to, and how does this time deposit compare with other time deposit bank products ng other digital banks, commercial banks, and rural banks. So, pag-usapan natin ang time deposit naman ng digital bank na si Tonic. So, kung gusto nyo malaman kung anong meron dito, gaano kataas ang interest rate, samahan nyo ako, pag-usapan natin yan. Sit back and let's discuss coming right up. Hi guys, this is Pat and you're in Pat Quintos Review TV. So if you're new here on my channel, I do reviews about entrepreneurship, small business, and personal finance na meron akong experience. Ginawa ko na yan ng videos and playlists na nakita nyo dito sa taas. At kung bago ka dito sa channel ko, you may want to consider subscribing to my channel. Okay guys, currently, meron na akong on top of my mind na contender na itong GoTime. And most probably, pag hindi pa ako nakakita ng mas mataas or mas maganda kay GoTime, definitely, ito na yung pipiliin ko. Well, titingnan natin kung itong time deposit ni Tonic will fit my needs. And maybe check nyo rin kung ito yung hinahanap nyong bank product. Okay, so simulan na natin. So, syempre, kailangan mo ng Tonic account for you to get a time deposit kay Tonic. Meron na ako, nag-download na ako ng app. So, basically, yun yung prerequisite. But before we go through dun sa time deposit product mismo ni Tonic, let's head over muna sa website niya and check natin kung ano yung mga information na sinasabi ni Tonic about their time deposit. Punta tayo ng tonicbank.com. Okay. Sabi niya, fall in love with big savings and get up to 6% interest per annum. Ano tong 6% interest per annum ito? Well, hindi siya savings, yung 6% interest per annum. Basically, ito yung time deposit niya. Kasi, if we're talking about the savings, medyo mababa ang interest rate ni Tonic. Sige, open ko yung Tonic account ko para makita natin kung gaano ka baba ang interest rate ni Tonic. So, kung mapapansin mo, yan, earning 1% interest per annum. So, ganun kababa ang interest rate ni Tonic sa kanyang savings account. Pero baka naman nga mas mataas yung time deposit kasi nakalagay dito 6%, di ba? Sige, tingnan natin. They say love gives you wings. We'd really rather give you 6, an annual interest rate that will take your time and money to the new heights. No beating around the bush, just freaking 6%. Yan ang maganda. Yung wala ng tier or ano pa ba, goal or mission. Kung ano yung sinign up mo 6%, then yun, 6%, di ba? Di katulad ni Maya. Yan, so time deposit nga siya. From a scale of 1 to 5, you are 6. Never settle for anything less. Enjoy all the 6 with time deposit yan. So, check natin. So, ito yung itsura na dashboard time deposit ni Tonic. Yan. So, yun nga, 6% per annum for your time deposit account. Worried about not being able to access your money during emergency. So, sabi naman dito, your time deposit won't be locked down. You can pull out anytime. No documentary stamp tax if you withdraw within 5 days after opening. Early withdrawal after 5 days will still give you 1% per annum. Why? Because love, we care. Medyo kailangan natin i-check dito kasi yung early withdrawal within 5 days lang daw para walang documentary stamp tax. Which is, ganun naman yung iba eh. Si Own Bank, wala naman din documentary stamp tax sa parang cooling days, yung first few days niya. So, ma-refund mo yung lahat ng pera mo. Pero like, with Maya Time Deposit Plus, within the day, ilang minutes mo pa lang, bala ko ng withdraw dahil tinest ko lang, meron na kagad siyang penalty. So, yung 5,000 ko na magpe-penalty daw siyang 25 pesos. Okay. So, ito, makukuha mo naman daw within 5 days if you withdraw it, can pull out all the amount that dineposit mo without incurring documentary stamp tax. Okay. So, you can start daw with 5,000 for 6 months. So, ito yung mga interest rate nila. So, nagbabago-bago rin naman kung gaano katagal. So, for example, tayo ng 10,000. Sa 10,000 kapag 6 months, kahit na magkanong amount, yung pagpipilian mo dito, yung tenure is 6 months, which would give you 6% per annum. 9 months, naging 4.5. 12 months, naging 4.75. 18 months, 5%. And 24 months, 5.25. Okay. So, kung mapapansin nyo, the longer yung tenor ng time deposit nyo, bumababa yung interest rate niya. And medyo tumaas na after 12 months. Kung i-compare naman natin ito with other time deposit na na-review natin, parang ganyan din yung ibang time deposit na na-review natin. Pero if we check yung other, the longer the tenor, the higher yung interest rate. For example na lang si Own Bank na ang interest rate niya ay nasa 7% per annum. Si CIMB also ay nasa 7% per annum kapag 12 months. Si Maya naman, kapag nag-12 months ka, instead na 6%, naging 5 point something, 5.5 yata, 5.75. So parang ganun din naman to si Tonic. Hindi ko alam kung bakit ganun the longer. Siguro para sa bank, hindi pa ganun ka-predictable sa bank yung pasok ng income or ng pera sa kanila, di ba? So medyo nagiging conservative yung banks kapag tumatagal yung Syempre, paano nga naman kung medyo hindi maganda yung takbo ng income ng bank after 1 year, di ba? At least kasi yung first year, nakapag-forecast na sila, medyo certain sila sa target, so on and so forth. Medyo kapag mas tumagal, yun nga, medyo nagiging conservative yung mga banks. Kaya, mas mababa ang interest rate. Okay, so yan. For example, sa 10,000 daw, sa 6 months, mag-earn ng 302 pesos before taxes. So, that's 100%. Minus nyo pa yung 20% dyan para makuha yung net interest. Kapag 9 months, 339. Pag 12 months, 475. 18 months, 752. Pag 24 months, 1,050. Ganyan lang naman kaliit yung magiging interest ng pera pag time deposit natin. Yan. So basically, yan yung information about the Tonic time deposit. So punta na tayo kay Tonic mismo para i-check. Okay, login. Ayan, diba? So, nakalagay 1%. So, punta tayo sa time deposit. Click natin yan. Ayan, 6% is a new normal. No lockdown. Start from 5,000 and 6 months. So, para siyang si Maya na minimum ng 5,000 para makapag-open ka ng time deposit. And minimum siya ng 6 months. Okay, let's start calculating. So, halos pares lang naman din pala. Ayan, so sa 5,000 daw mag-earn ng 150 pesos yung 5,000 before taxes. So, let's say I'm interested. So, basically, ito na yung set up natin yung time deposit. Ito yung parang summary. So, investment amount is 5,000. Yung term ay 6 months. And then, kung papangalanan mo siya, and then, payout maturity is 5,150. Early withdrawal, yun nga, no documentary stamp tax kapag within 5 days. And then, each customer is insured up to 500,000. Okay. So, if you accept, then let's open this time deposit. Kailangan na pala may laman para makapag-open ng time deposit. So, if you're top up, yan, PesoNet, online. Ito yung mga top-up, online top-up options. Yan. Pero hindi ko na gagawin kasi hindi ko naman feel mag-open ng time deposit with Tonic. So, ang kailangan na lang natin malaman ay kung may documentary stamp tax ba after 5 days. Which is, I feel, yes, meron. So, eto. Sabi niya dito, is there a penalty for closing my time deposit before maturity? And ang sagot is, kapag within 5 days, wala. If you withdraw early but after the cooling period or yung after 5 days, then you will be charged for documentary stamp tax, which is yung nga yung nasabi ko na kanina. Okay, para i-calculate naman daw ang documentary stamp tax, it would be 1 peso and 50 cents for every 200 pesos principal amount. So, kunyari, 5,000 or 10,000, i-divide nyo yan by 200, then i-multiply nyo yung 1 peso and 50 cents para makuha nyo yung babayaran yung documentary stamp tax, which, lugi na kayo kagad. Yun lang yun. Bawas pa yung principal nyo. So, never pre-terminate your time deposit. Mag-time deposit kayo kung sigurado talaga kayong ilalak nyo yung pera nyo dyan at hindi nyo kukunin. Yan. Kasi, paano na lang kunyari, 1 million pesos ang nilagay ko. O, sige, calculate natin 1 million pesos sa time deposit. 1 million pesos divided by 200, 5,000 times 1.5. Ibig sabihin, magbabayad na ako ng 7,500 pesos if nag-pre-terminate ako after the cooling period. And siguro ma-offset kahit papano ng 1%. Kunin natin 1%. Sa 1 million times 0.01, 10,000 pesos daw. Let's say, nag-pre-terminate ka, ika-5th month mo. So, meron kang ilang araw yon, sabihin natin 150 days. Divided by 365 days times 150 days. So, kahit pa paano kumita ng 4,109, kukunin mo pa yung net interest nito. So, times 0.8. So, ang net interest mo ay 3,287 minus 7,500. Ayan. So, nabawasan ka pa ng 4,200. Diba? So, yun yung caveat or disadvantage ng time deposit na kapag emergency na kailangan mo is mas mababawasan pa yung pera mo pag nag-pre-terminate ka. Kaya, maglalagay lang kayo ng pera sa time deposit, yung sigurado kayong hindi nyo gagalawin. Again, never put your emergency fund, your daily funds sa time deposit. Pwede mong ilagay dyan sa time deposit ay yung perang tinatabi mo for a future time na hindi mo naman gagamitin for business. Parang wala ka pang idea na mag-business ka. So instead na nakalagay lang sa savings, you can put it sa time deposit. Ayan. So yan. So basically, yan yung information natin about Tonic Time Deposit. For my conclusion, would I choose time deposit ni Tonic over sa mga na-review na natin? Well, for me, para sa akin, if I'm going to put my money, I'm going to choose either Maya, Uno, or Ownbank. Okay, for our question of the day, sa mga meron ng time deposit o sa mga nagbabalak mag-time deposit, aware ba kayo sa consequences na kapag nag-pre-terminate kayo ng inyong time deposit, mas malulugi pa kayo? And if so, ano yung reason na makakapagpa-pre-terminate sa inyo ng inyong time deposit? Let me know sa comment section sa baba at may chance kayong manalo ng 1,000 pesos every week. And also, huwag niyong kalimutang maglagay ng hashtag #Road to75k sub and mag-like and subscribe dito sa aking channel para sa chance yung manalo ng cellphone para sa ating cellphone giveaway once we reach the 75k milestone. Yun lamang po for today's video, but before we end this video, mag-shoutout muna tayo at shoutout kay Ivan Raimundo. Sabi niya, thanks for sharing, Sir Pat. Makakatulong review nyo para we will know where to put our hardly earned money. At Ivan Raimundo, shoutout sa iyo and thank you sa panonood at pagsuporta sa aking channel. Thank you so much. I hope you could like this video, leave a thumbs up, and if not, wala nang problema dyan, but continue to support me. Please subscribing to my channel by clicking the subscribe button and also the bell button sa being subscribed para makareceive kayo ng latest notification sa lahat ng upload ko. Again guys, this is Pat Quinto and you're in Pat Quinto's Review TV. Bye-bye!